Here we presents the top 5 best budget mechanical keyboards. Starting at number 5, ID 7575 Keys Ortholinear. The Adobo 75D kit provides everything you need to build a functioning mechanical keyboard. As you can see, this board has an ortholinear layout that aims to reduce finger travel time when typing. Constructed almost entirely out of aluminum with an acrylic sheet sandwiched in the middle, the build quality is very high. The acrylic diffuser sheet insert emphasizes the lighting through the edges of the board. However, if you prefer a slab aluminum look, it is possible to unscrew and remove this. The PCB uses Kale hot swap sockets with holes for 5-pin mount switches, so you can use whatever switch type you want. Additionally, it supports both RGB and LED backlighting. If you wish to set the underlighting or modify layers, all programming can be done via the GMMK toolkit. For more information and price, check out the product links in description. At number 4, glorious GMMK Modular. The GMMK TKL was released a few years ago, however, it's still today one of the best barebones, hot swappable keyboard kits around. Built with a strong, sandblasted aluminum faceplate that has a clean and minimalist design, it's not lacking any quality either. As this is a custom keyboard kit, you will have to buy the switches and keycaps separately in order to build it yourself. Furthermore, although the snap-in stabilizers come pre-lubed, they can be quite noisy. For this reason, you'll probably want to replace them with a quality set of GMK plates. With a high polling rate, anti-ghosting, and a 16.8 million color RGB backlight, the GMMK features all the extras you would expect with a premium product. Overall, it's an excellent TKL barebones kit that accomplishes the job it was built to do. Halfway of my listed number 3, Womier 87 Key K87. The Womier 87 mechanical keyboard kit has some serious vibes, and is bound to catch your attention. If you are an RGB fanatic, then you are going to love it. This custom board is all about its majestic backlighting that takes underglow illumination to another level. Noticeably, the acrylic case has a frosted coat finish that is entirely transparent. This allows the PCB LEDs to diffuse evenly around the whole of the base, and not just from above like with other compact models. Due to this reason, the low-profile design appears very minimalistic. Although it's not widely known, there is now software available for this board. It allows you to create macros and customize any of the 16.8 million colors. Besides this, you can set any of the static colors or 18 preset animations by holding the FN combination key. For more information and price, check out the product links in description. Coming in at number 2, Corsair K63 Wireless. The best wireless mechanical keyboard for less than $100 that we've tested is the Corsair K63 Wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. It's quite versatile and has good ergonomics thanks to the included wrist rest and the adjustable incline setting. You can connect it with 2 different devices at the same time, either with a USB receiver or via Bluetooth, and you can easily switch between them directly on the keyboard. It uses linear Cherry MX red switches, which require a bit of force to actuate and don't offer any tactile feedback. The switches feel very responsive, and typing on it shouldn't cause any fatigue. Unfortunately, the build quality is only decent, as it's entirely made out of plastic that feels a bit cheap. Also, there isn't any onboard memory or cloud sync feature, so you can't keep your customization settings when you switch devices. Note that this keyboard has blue backlighting only, so fans of RGB may be disappointed. That said, among all the wireless options we've tested, this is the best cheap mechanical keyboard. And number 1, Redragon K552. If you want something smaller in a 10 kilo size, then check out the Redragon K552 RGB. You can't reprogram any keys, but at least this variant has full RGB lighting and costs less than the Logitech G413. It's a pretty basic keyboard that comes without IMU blue switches, which are clicky and provide a light and responsive gaming experience. Typing quality is decent as the keys feel nice to touch, but the click doesn't line up with the actuation, which can be annoying to some. Due to its size, it doesn't have a numpad, but it still has media hotkeys. If you want the best cheap mechanical keyboard, then you can't go wrong with the Logitech. But if you want to spend less money for something smaller at the cost of programmable keys, then check out the Redragon. I have included these product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.